I figured out what I did wrong. The issue was, once again, from previous build, that these two platforms are named platform 3 and 4. Platform 3 and 4, when in fact I should just have platform 1, platform 2. Otherwise, I have some issues, because right now the way that I have it set with my event is I have these two so that they're moving, but platform 3 and 4 aren't. So if I run my game, you'll notice just the first two move. So I'm going to set it a little bit different. I found out where I went wrong. What I did was, let me delete the two. So I'll put those back in. So now I currently have platform 1, platform 2. What I was supposed to do was, here it says clone platform 2, clone platform 1 a single time, and that then rename it as platform 2. And then what I'm supposed to do after that is copy platform 1. By copying it, it's not making new objects, it's just kind of repeating platform 1. So let me right click, copy, and then right click, paste. And notice how now I don't have to set the things, but now I can paste it twice, and now I have, paste. I only have platform 1 and 2, even though I have 4 different platforms. So I need to go back and reset the position of these so that they're basically where they should be. And I'm not going to do it by the eye. I'm going to go through and actually set the positions here. I don't remember what they are, so I have to go look. But that's what I did wrong. So now I have platform 1 and 2, that even though they're all over the place, if I run it, it actually does all go together. So that's how I fixed that bug. I just realized that I could put little stickers on my screen. All kinds of stickers. Check it out. That's kind of cool. All right, let's clear those. All right, back where were we? Oh boy, how do I go back to my mouse? There we go. Okay, mouse is back. Let's figure this out. All right, so what we're going to be working is the random number generator. So open the game frame. We're going to be selecting the game frame, selecting an event. We already have the always one, so we're going to right click in the cell below the random counter icon. So there's a lot there. So game frame, event editor, right click underneath counter random icon for the always button. All right, so here we go. Always, let's double check this. So I have my game frame open, go to my event editor, go to always. I'm going to be right clicking underneath the random counter. So right click and then go to set counter, because I'm going to be setting it to a specific number. Now a new button comes up. Let's go see what we need to do with this. So it says enter the words random 4 into the expression editor as shown in figure 1 to 12 or 10-12. So here's figure 10-12, random 4. So let's go back and do that. Looks like there's a button right here for random. So you could type out the word random if you'd like, or just select random. And then it says enter base number. I'll put a 4 there. And what that's going to do is it will select a random assortment of numbers. I'm using 4 as its base number. And if you're interested in figuring out what that means, come talk to me, because I'll give you a little bit more information on that. So we'll go ahead and press OK. And what that would do is that will always select a random number up through 4. Okay, so next for spawning, it says this is the creation of a new object. We're going to be basically spawning new platforms and spawning new hearts. So applying what you've learned, add a new condition, and in the new condition dialog box, right click on the timer icon and click every in the shortcut menu, and every dialog box is displayed. So a lot there. New condition, inside the new condition we'll select timer and then click every, and let's see what happens. So new condition, select the timer and click every. We'll hold off, see what we need to do there. Then it says change the time settings so that 1.70 seconds is selected. I want to be clear on a few things. This is the tenths place. This is the hundredths place. So when we have a 0.70, that's actually 70 100ths of a second. That's really, really small. So this is 1 second and 70 100ths of a second. So we're going to be using both the seconds and the 1/100ths of a second. So how many 100ths? 70. So let's come back here and we're going to set it to 1 second. It's already there. And then we're going to change this to 70 71 hundredths of a second. So press OK. So every 1 and 71 hundredths of a second, what are we going to do? Press OK. In the event line, right-click on the cell below the Create New Objects icon and press Create Object in the shortcut menu. So we need Create New Objects. I have no idea which one that is. There it is. So if I hover over this, it says Create New Objects. So for every 1 and 71 hundredths of a second, I want it to always create a new object. What do I want it to create? My guess is all kinds of stuff. Let's find out. Let's create objects. It says select platform 1 as shown in figure 13. So just like this, select platform 1 and press OK. Let's see what it does. So here's platform 1 and press OK. And it's asking us for more stuff. So let's come back to our book and see what we need to do. Press OK. Applying what you've learned, select the absolute position at 0, 480. So let's see what that looks like. So 0, actual position at 0, 480. And oops, I did not mean to do that. So 0, 480, absolute position. We're not doing relative. We're doing an absolute position. Press OK. And then I believe we're going to run the frame to see if it works. So test your frame to see if the platforms spawn up and move up. Note the platform 2 object will move off the screen, but it will not spawn. We're only spawning platform 1 over and over and over again. So let's see if that works, and then that'll be it for this step. So back to my game frame. Let's run the frame. And looks like it works. I get new frames every single time. What we'll be doing next is setting a random generator to actually move the platform so that that hole right here shifts each time, make it a little more difficult. So that'll be in the next video.